Hello again. I've decided to come back to Plesley down at Nottinghamshire. So I just want to do a few more tests with the Action 4 now, with a wireless mic. Now the DJI Mic 2 is compatible with the Action 4, I thought I'd just come down to the woodlands again to do some long range tests with the internal mic on the Action 4 versus the external mic on the Action 4. So I'm just about to pull up. And we've landed. This is just the internal microphone on the Action 4 at the moment. But I've come to do some long range tests. Since the Mic 2 is now compatible with the Action 4, I thought I'd do some audio tests today, as I've only been doing it with the Pocket 3, as that DJI Mic 2 comes with the Pocket 3. Coned me hair, that did then. Coned me hair, I've got no hair. On the Action 4 here, Adventure Combo, it comes with a 1.5 metre pole. So I'll stretch that out as far as it can go, left to right. I knew I did something. That's not too bad though. This is a good place to test the audio on the wireless Mic 2 with the DJI Action 4. That's at least 100 metres. So I'm going to put the Action 4 here on a tripod. I'll firstly go about halfway with no wireless mic, just so you can see the comparison, and I'll have to be shouting, so I'm hoping no one's around. And then I'll come back and attach the wireless mic, and you really will see the difference. Here we go. So now, just to show you the comparison of the audio, the DJI Mic 2 is disconnected, so I'm just on internal audio on the Action 4. So straight away from here, you'll notice there's a difference in audio, and especially down here, I'm just talking normally, but I know it'll be really low. So I'll have to shout like this, and then you'll be able to hear me. I'm at least 30 metres away at the moment. Okay, I'm coming back because I'm at 40 metres. I went about 40 metres there. As you can probably hear, I had to shout quite a lot. So now I'm going to connect the external mic. I know it's going to do a good job, but I don't know the range of it. So I'm going to go at least 100 metres that way. So you'll see this little person soon. So to connect the wireless mic to the Action 4, just swipe down. Temperamental sometimes these. The top right icon, settings, scroll down to wireless mic. Select that. Now just power the wireless mic on. I've already connected these two together before, but if you haven't, all you have to do is hit the TX button there and it'll find it automatically. So let's get on with the test. Let's go. Again, as I'm talking with my back to the Action 4, there shouldn't be any audio lag. I'm now exactly where I were when I was just testing the internal mic on the Action 4. So this will be interesting at 40 metres if the external mic is picking this audio up. And I don't know until I get back to the camera because I can barely see it from here. But let's keep going just in case it has. I'll hold the mic out to... And I'm back. And now I'm back. I'm going to do the exact same test with the Pocket 3 internal microphone versus the external microphone well over 100 metres away. Let's see how that fares. Here we go. So now I'm going to do the test with the internal mic on the Pocket 3. Same distance. Let's see how that fares against the Action 4. I'm about 10 metres now. I'm now around 20 metres away. I'm not going to go any further than this like before. I'm around 40 metres. what will be interesting is to pair the Pocket 3 and the Action 4 internal audios against each other. Now I'm going to switch over to the external mic and I'm going to walk well beyond 100 meters. Let's just see if it can keep it in sync. Here we go. Right, the external microphone's attached now, so let's go. These are always good tests to have your back to it. As on the DJI Pocket 2, when I had my back to it around 20 meters away, it would cut out, but as soon as I turn around, it'd sync back up. So I'm around that level now, but I've got faith in this Pocket 3. It's a new wireless mic as well. It's the DJI Mic 2. So I would imagine the DJI's looked into this over the years and got a better reception on this. So I'm hoping it's not cut out on this. It shouldn't have cut out at this range, as I believe it not to have cut out on the Action 4. I'm going to get behind this tree again, which is over 100 meters away. And I do hope it's still in sync, or I'm just wasting my time running around. So there we go. Now I'm well over 100 meters away. I'm going to hide behind this tree. So that's the exact same test as the Action 4 to the Pocket 3. Now let me make my way back. And hopefully it's not cut out. If it hasn't cut out all this time on the Action 4 and the Pocket 3, that's just phenomenal range. It really is. That's interesting. So it's still solid blue. That straight away says to me that I did not lose connection. So if you've made it this far, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye for now.